Hey everybody, it's your boy Jimbo here. Welcome back to another video, and look what came early. I remember in my community post I did about almost a week ago, I said this thing wasn't going to be here till the 20th. But I guess UPS had other plans, because it came in today and I just got back from the UPS store to pick it up. And we're going to unbox it. Let's go ahead and get to it, because I want to see this for myself. Okay, and already I can say that I do have a first complaint. This piece right here indicates that something must have happened. The bottom of the box came undone, some tape over here. Must have got a little too hot, either that or the ride with UPS was a bit rough. But I'm not really going to point fingers at anybody, so I'm actually going to unbox it upside down. Bear with me, guys. I gotta get this fucking strap off. Okay, got that off. Let's open up the box. And looky. Ooh, doesn't that look nice? First thing to come out of the box is, of course, a scrunch. Always gonna get one of these. With these saws, nothing wrong with that. Piece of cardboard. Got the instruction manual. I don't see a tool bag in here, but I do see the stuff that would typically come with it. Flathead screwdriver and a chain file. And now I'm going to go ahead and set all of those aside real quick and get to the main attraction. Wow. It's pretty much sorry. It's pretty much assembled and ready to go from the looks of it. Let's go ahead and get a zoom in there. .050, so I guess that means my replacement chains will fit on it, because that's what I mostly use. What are the drive links on it? Looks to be a fairly interesting saw. Hold on, let me put a piece of carpet under that so I won't scratch my hood. Looking at it from this side, we have a primer bulb, which is unexpected. We have the high, low, and idle screw adjustments, and oh, look at that. We have a decompression valve. I didn't see that. That's pretty cool. And much like a steel, the chain tensioner's in there. And of course, it's the same procedure. Loosen those two bar nuts and tighten it. The bar appears to be a genuine Oregon Pro speed cut bar. I just need to find out how many drive links it has, because from what this number is telling me, it looks like there might be 78, which is a very odd number of links for a 20-inch chain. You've got a chain brake. Seems to work pretty smooth. No easy start from the feel of it, which is a big plus for me. I'm not a fan of easy starts. We got a metal crankcase. Here, let me grab the scrunch real quick. Yeah, that's a metal crankcase. There's that muffler. Yeah. So far, it seems really neat from the looks of it. Definitely unlike any we've ever seen before. I see a kill switch back here. Oh, so it's a fixed, it's a intermittent switch. So you just push it like this and it kills the engine. I don't see a choke back here, but based on these markings here, this knob here appears to be the choke. So yeah. Seems fairly simple to figure out. You've got one 2, 3 screws right here to take off the top cover to gain access to the air filter, which I'll do an under the hood video completely separate to this, you know, because just a lot going on, don't have much time to do any editing. Well, I'd say so far so good, guys, but now it comes to the real question: will this bad boy start? I'm going to go ahead and put some Echo Red Armor Mix in it, put the camera on the tripod, and let's see what she'll do. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see if this bad boy will start up for the first time. There we go. Prime it, chain brake, choke. Oh wow. 5 pulls and it's already kicking off. It's a little shy. Took a few extra pulls to get it going, but then again, it was the first time it's ever started. That actually doesn't sound half bad, guys. It does have an easy start, so I misspoke earlier. Don't know what the purpose of the decompression valve is if it's got an easy start, though. Yeah, this thing really does not need a decompression valve if it's got that easy start. But no big deal. Anyways, guys, not bad. Definitely not a bad looking saw by any means. A little bit of a graphical error according to the manufacturer. I did ask them about that because, you know, why are you advertising a 56cc saw and with a 45cc sticker? And they assured me that it was basically just the graphic design department having a little bit of a hiccup because they made sure to put this sticker on. Hold up. There we go. And see, 56cc's. And now to finish off the video, guys, a good look at the operator's manual. I've been reading it a little bit and it seems to be pretty well laid out, pretty informative. It shows you all the parts of your saw, what does what, how to use it, how to start it, all that cool stuff. I've even got a small little section on how to sharpen your chain, and even in some pages, if I can find it, shows you how to cut down a tree. Very informative, of course, but the main thing that I want you guys to see, and this is going to answer any questions about whether or not they make parts for these. I have spoken directly to the manufacturer through Amazon, and they tell me that through the warranty, yes, they do offer replacement parts, but they don't yet, keyword yet, offer individual replacement parts. They are, however, planning to, and you can ask them on Amazon if you want further verification of this, because this is the part of the manual that I think you guys need to see. The parts list, as well as an exploded diagram. So yeah, I was about to say, that's a very, very well put together manual for what it is. It's good to see that they're offering along with an actual parts list, and it's even better to hear that they're actually offering parts for these. Warranty wise, they offer a 3-year residential warranty and a 1-year commercial. So yeah, I would definitely say that this saw is something to consider if you're in the market for a budget friendly yet no frills chainsaw. Now the only thing left to do is put it in wood and see how she does. Don't know when that'll be because there's just been a lot happening, but yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. And that's that, everybody. Stay tuned till my next video. Hopefully I can put the new saw in some wood and whatnot, and we can truly see how it really is. Thank you guys for watching. I thoroughly enjoyed making this video, and hopefully see you guys soon. Take care.